Hey guys, let's see how this one turns out. Boop, 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 boop. This is going to be a short one. We're just talking about distance formula. Distance formula, okay? So, here is the distance formula. Notice we have x2, x1, y2, y1. Those are going to be points, okay? Here's your steps. You're going to write the distance formula. You're going to substitute that x2, x1, y2, y1. Simplify. Evaluate the powers, squaring, add, and if need be, we're going to use a calculator. So, following the steps, let's write down our distance formula. Just like that. And yep, copied it correctly. Remember, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So make your substitution. So x2 is going to be negative 2 minus x1, which is a 1, squared, plus y2, which is 3, minus 4 squared. Okay, simplify this. Negative 2 minus 1 is a negative 3. 3 minus 4 is a negative 1. Okay, evaluate the powers. Negative 3 squared is 9. Negative 1 squared is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, and if we wanted this as a decimal, you got to use your calculator. So root 10, hit the SD button, we'll just do 16. 3.16. Okay, pause the video and try this one out. Alright, we're back. Again, we're going to do x1, y1, x2, y2. The formula again is x2 minus x1 squared. Don't forget the squared. y2 minus y1 squared. Plug in what you know. So 40 minus 10 squared plus 45. 45. Let's make that look better. 45 minus the 5 squared. So 40 minus 10 is 30. 45 minus 5 is 40. Okay, and look, these are pretty big numbers, so it's, no shame in using the calculator. 30 squared is 900. 40 squared, 1600. So 900 plus 1600. Okay. And add that up, we get 2500. So if you want, you can use your calculator. Square root of 2500, whoops, it's 50. Boom. Alright guys, I'm back. Had to pause the video. There's also one more little thing I want to go over. Okay, sometimes you got to figure out between 2 points. We did this with just the given points. Okay, but if you have a graph, you have to find it this way. I'm going to show you a little shortcut. Make this stuff a little bit easier. Also, this isn't the problem, but let's pretend there is a line. Okay. Okay, this line literally could be a pieces of a shape, like a rectangle or a triangle. Okay, so to save time, I want you to use this shortcut. I want you to count up twice and count over 3 times. Okay? 2, 3. Check this out. Use the distance formula. Remember, the x's came first, and x's control your left to right, the run part. So we ran 3. I still want you to square it, plus the y part, which is the rise, which is 2. Okay? Now work it out. 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, 9 plus 4 is 13. Again, use your calculator. This time they say round to the nearest tenth. That's 1 decimal place. So get your calculator. Root 13 equals SD 6 is the tenths place, 3.6. Okay? Because I know you're going to have these problems. Trust me, doing this little shortcut helps out when you're having to find area or perimeter later on. Okay? And here's another one. Again, we're just going to count up. We went up twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So the run part is 5. The rise part is 2. 5 squared is 25. 2 squared is 4. So 29. Again, use your calculator because they want to round to the nearest tenths. We get, let's see, that 8 makes that 3 round up, so 5.4. Okay. And again, that's just a little shortcut. If you really wanted to, you can plot the points, and trust me, you'll get the same answer. All right, I just wanted to keep this video short, so that'll be it.